We're back with another knife review. Today it is the Ultra X Rhino. It is a Linerlock folding knife. Let's go ahead and show it to you up close. This is obviously one of my favorite knives due to the size and the way the handle is contoured. Alright, let's get started. It is 9.3 inches overall. The point blade, which is 4 inches long, 0.67 wide. The handle is 5.3 inch, G10, contoured. Has a lanyard hole. 3 barreled spacers on the see-through chassis. Deep carry pocket clip, stainless steel. It is 7.25 ounces overall. Satin finish blade. Has some jimping on top of the blade, which we like that. It's a 9CR18 mauve is the steel, which is a kind of a entry-level steel nowadays. Something that Kershaw uses on a lot of its knives. It is a manual flipper. One hand, obviously. Very smooth and easy to open. We'll go ahead and show you how it cuts. We'll start off with a little paracord. So you can see it cuts right through that. We'll do a pull-back cut. Left a little fraying there, so this one could use a little more sharpening for my liking. We'll bring you some cardboard here. This one's probably going to perform very well in the spear cuts. Oh yes, very sharp there. We can cut pretty much wherever, whenever we want, without any effort. I like that. That is nice. I like when the tips are extremely sharp. My cardboard is very soggy. Must have got it a little wet there. But you can tell it cuts through very nicely. Go ahead and clean that off. So this knife is going to pretty much do whatever you want it to. It's going to be easy to sharpen, be a nice everyday carry. Comes in at $28. Very inexpensive for a knife this large. Kind of reminds me of the Amari Colosso with a thinner blade, but a nice, sturdy, beefy handle that you can really get your hand on, as you can tell. 9.3 inches is the knife. So that was the Ultra X Rhino. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife and like our post. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do tons of reviews and weekly show that you either find hilarious, or well, you'll laugh with us or you'll laugh at us. It's one or the other. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.